Thank you for considering heat exchange and transfer for your process temperature control needs. Heat has been specializing in designing and manufacturing process temperature control equipment since 1968. With experience in nearly every market in the world, our designs focus on developing the safe, reliable performance that our customers have come to trust in heat systems for their process today. When you contact Heat, our application specialists work with you to discover exactly what you need in a process temperature control solution. Our team has the knowledge and experience to understand your whole process and will help guide you in finding the best solution for each unique situation. It all begins with a conversation where we learn about the specifics of your process and set the scope of work for our project. Heat specializes in a full line of custom-engineered process temperature control equipment that can be designed specifically to the demands of your process. Based on the complexity of the project, your desired level of input, and the amount of customization required, Heat offers 4 distinct project category levels, ranging from minimal customizations for our reference-only category, approval of drawings before fabrication in our drawing approval category, full approval of drawings and materials in our full approval category, to the ultimate hands-on experience in our built to specifications and full approval category. Generally speaking, these levels of customization correspond with the level of complexity required, and higher project levels take more time to complete. Heat takes care that all of the systems we deliver, regardless of project category level, will give safe, reliable performance for the equipment's lifetime. We are fully committed to working with you toward the best solution for your needs, and we have the process knowledge to do so. We promise to be forthright and candid with our knowledge and experience as we work with you to design your equipment, and we promise to listen to your feedback at every step along the way. Starting with Category 1, reference-only equipment, once we receive your order for a new custom process temperature control solution, Heat's project manager and engineering team will put together a design, taking the information you've provided us to make a system that will fulfill your precise temperature control needs. All required major components will be immediately released for procurement, while our engineering team creates a reference-only package for you, consisting of a general arrangement, piping and instrument diagram, electrical schematic, and electrical door and panel layout drawings, allowing you to plan ahead for the system's arrival and installation. Once all the components have arrived, the fabrication phase begins, then testing and shipment. Our Category 2 drawing approval equipment adds an additional layer of customization to the process with a drawing approval phase. Again, taking the information you've given us, our project manager and engineering team will get to work on your custom design and immediately procure all major components for fabrication. Once our project team completes the design, you'll receive a submittal package consisting of a general arrangement, piping and instrument diagram, electrical schematic, and electrical door and panel layout drawings. You'll then have the opportunity to review the design and request any necessary modifications to the layout. Once we receive your written approval of the drawing package, we'll begin fabricating your custom system, then testing and shipment to you. Category 3 full approval equipment allows for a high level of input and approval of drawings and major component bill of materials, giving you hands-on involvement in the custom design of your system. Once we've received your order, our project manager and engineering team will reach out to you for a project kickoff meeting, where together we'll review the scope of work, introduce the design team, and discuss your specific objectives for the custom equipment. We'll get your written approval for all parts of the process, such as immediately ordering components with long lead times while we work together on your design. As these materials make their way to our facility, together we'll finalize the remainder of the design and submit an approval package consisting of a general arrangement, piping and instrument diagram, electrical schematic, electrical door and panel layout drawings, and major component bill of materials. Upon final approval of the submittal package, the remaining components will be ordered, and fabrication will begin, followed by testing and shipment to you. Our 4th and highest project category level, built to specifications and full approval equipment, allows for ultimate customization, ideal for when you have plant specifications, preferred brand components, or require submittal documentation above and beyond what typical manufacturers are willing to provide. This category allows for buyer specification submittals, full input on the design, and complete approval of drawings and major component bill of materials, making you and your team part of our design team. Once we've received your order, our project manager and engineering team will schedule a project kickoff meeting, where together we'll review the scope of work, introduce the design team, and discuss your specific objectives for the custom equipment. We'll get your written approval for all parts of the process, such as immediately ordering components with long lead times, while we work together on your design. As these materials make their way to our facility, together we'll finalize the remainder of the design and submit to you an approval package consisting of a general arrangement, piping and instrument diagram, electrical schematic, electrical door and panel layout drawings, and major component bill of materials. Additional information for submittal and approval can be provided as requested and agreed upon. Once we've received your final approval of the submittal package, the remaining components will be ordered and fabrication will begin, followed by testing and shipment. It's important to note that for all project category levels, flexibility is a key to success in custom designs. We understand that some modifications or plant specifications may come into play after an order is placed, and some modifications and changes to design or components may be necessary. These changes can have impacts on costs and lead times originally associated with the project. While we offer flexibility when dealing with these types of unknowns, some instances do require that projects be reclassified to a higher project category level. All our project levels allow for a transparent process in which our project manager will work with you and advise you on the impacts of these unknowns as they arise, such as changes to cost, lead time, and project reclassification. We promise that we will work hard to make sure that you know any and all impacts to your project as we work together, so that you can make informed decisions with our team and we can deliver you the best solution. As we reach the final stages of your project, regardless of category level, once the fabrication is complete, we welcome you to our facility to witness a factory acceptance test. Here, your equipment is tested in accordance with our quality control process, ensuring that your system will meet and exceed your expectations. Also during this visit, our team can answer any final questions you have about the system and provide you with hands-on training for operation and installation. After testing is complete, your system is insulated and painted, and then shipped to you. Our equipment is built to last, with all welded piping connections and brand name components. Heat's customers and clients trust us with building safe, reliable performance into their processes with equipment they can count on to keep running and keep their product consistent. Heat exchange and transfer. Safe, reliable performance.